Well, that's a little different. Huh. Now I've seen that before. Hey, you be in this business a long time. See something new all the time. We're gonna change that up though. Don't worry. When you do one thing, find another issue. Let's go get the snake. Yes, easy money. See, they call that wax ring with flames. Pop that boy right there. We're gonna clean him up, don't worry. John out there busting up on his camera skills. So now you see, when you're putting that tank on the toilet, God forbid, get put on that gasket, man, or you just gonna have some water flowing. Just some water flowing, man. It might look nice, almost like this vanity, you know, just for looks. There's no drain, no water supply. It's just for looks. That's what that toilet would be if you didn't put that gasket in there. Now you can never say we don't clean up too. That fluoride looks so nice in years, I'm telling you. Oh, ain't that nice? Let me go get the supply line so we can finish that up. Get out of here. 'Cause I'm ready to pick up my easy money.